When you play a match, Vainglory makes replay files, which are used by Vainglory Replay Mode to show the game you just played. Normally you can only see a match in replay mode right after you play it, but in this video I'll be showing you how to save these replay files and watch them whenever you feel like. So the first thing you want to do is download the Vainglory Replay software from GitHub, and the link to that is in the description below, but you can also find it on the Everlasting Night server or website. So here I am on the website, and you just want to go under Replay Packs, and when you scroll down you'll see the link over there. Alternatively, you can also use the Discord server, and you can just go to the Replay Packs channel, and the link is right there. Okay, so once you get to the link, you simply want to download the zip file, and let's go downloads. So you'll see the Vainglory Replay Master zip, and you want to select that, right click, and extract all the files. And then you'll see the Vainglory Replay-Master folder, and you want to go in that, and then another folder, and then the Vainglory Replay folder, the AMD 64 zip. So that one you need to extract again, right click, extract. And then again you'll see a folder for that. And then inside another folder you'll see the VGR Play and VGR Save applications. So these you can move them to a folder of your choice. And in this I'll be creating the folder in desktop and naming it VG Replay. Okay, so right there I have that folder, and over here I just want to copy these and put them in that folder I just created. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is create an environmental variable, and to do so you want to press Windows plus R and then type in sysdm.cpl, and then you want to press OK. You'll see the system properties show up, and you want to go to Advanced Environmental Variables, and then under System Variables you'll see the path row over here, and click on Edit, Edit again, and then over here you want to create a new line, and basically you want to copy the file location of the folder that contains VGR Save and VGR Play. So I'm just going to copy this pathway from here to there, and right there. Yeah, and then just press OK, and now we've created an environmental variable. Now we will download the replay files of a match to watch it. Before that, we need to create a folder in the temporary folder, which is a folder that basically holds information such as app data temporarily before deleting it. Also, you want to make sure that you have hidden items checked in the view bar, so you can access the app data folder, which is hidden. So now I'll show you how to get to the temporary folder. So you want to go to Windows SSD, and then Users, your username, App Data, Local, and then when you scroll down you should see the temporary folder right there. And then over here we want to create a new folder, and we want to call that folder Vainglory Replays. Vainglory-replays. And in this folder we want to copy the files of the game that we want to watch. So here I'm going to download files from the Everlasting Night Discord, and yeah, I already have that downloaded, so I'm going to simply copy it into this. Okay. Alright, now we're going to watch the actual match. So you want to have the temp folder, and then you want to go to the search bar and search command prompt. So and have that open. And then you also want to have Vainglory open. So have temporary folder there. And then now I'm going to open Vainglory. Alright, so once you get to Vainglory, you want to start a practice match, because it's the quickest way to get to the end and watch the match that you want to, since we need to get to the match results screen, and then once you hit replay, we're going to watch the actual match that we want to. Okay. So while you're in the practice match, you want to go to command prompt, and you want to copy paste the address of the temporary folder into command prompt. So here you want to write cd space, and then you want to copy that address. Okay. Now you want to go back to Vainglory, and then you just want to surrender the game. And then after surrendering, you go back to command prompt, you write VGR play, enter, and then you hit replay. Essentially, what the software is doing is substituting the replay files of the practice match in temporary with the files in Vainglory-replays. And there we go. Now I'll show you how to watch replay files on an Android phone. For iOS, it's the same process, but in order to access the replay files, you will need to jailbreak your phone. So I recommend that you have the replay files of the game that you want to watch already in the Vainglory replays folder, which we created earlier. Since there's a very limited time in the match result screen in which we have to do this whole process. So we're basically going to take the files from the cache folder on your phone, which I'll show you later, and rename them to the files in Vainglory replays using the software VGR Play. So you should have command prompt open, just have the temporary folder, and over here I just have my phone screen connected to my laptop. And then to start, you want to copy the address of the temp folder and write that in command prompt. So first type cd and then copy that right there. So that will prepare you to do the VGR play command later on. Okay, so let's go into a practice match. So once we're in the practice match and then we surrender and the match results screen, that's when we connect, that's when you want to connect your phone by USB cable. So you can see the files in the cache folder. Okay, so I'm just going to surrender here. And then, okay, looks like it just crashed over here. Okay, we'll just head right back into the game. Okay, So now I'm going to surrender and then quickly connect my phone by cable. Okay, so now I've connected my phone and there we go. So you want to go to Android, data, and com.superevilmegacorp.game, and then here's the cache folder I was talking about. So you want to take the first file here, and that's because it says 0.0 at the end, .vgr. So you want to copy the name, go to the temp folder, right click, new, text document, and then copy, paste that file name, and then just make it .vgr. Yes, over here. And then in command prompt, you want to hit VGR play, and this is basically renaming the files. And then now we see all these VGR files over here. So now we want to take these files and put them back into the cache folder. Okay, so I'll just take these files, copy this, and then just paste them here. Okay. Copy and replace, and then hopefully we don't get out of the match result screen. Okay. Okay, now that that's done, we can just hit replay, and let's see. And, okay. And there we go. So these are the files that were in the Vainglory replays folder in temporary. And yeah, the software has renamed the files that we copied into here to the files in Vainglory replays. And the reason why we copied one of the files and put them and copied them into the temporary folder is because the software only needs one file to know how to rename the stuff in Vainglory replays, and then it'll move it to the temporary folder. Alright, so that was it. Hope that helped you.